Engineer Boy 100, guess what I've got for you today? I'm going to be changing out my old, cut up, dried up, skinny little dried sleeves, isolator sleeves on my front springs on the lower part, and I'm going to be replacing it with this thick, new 5/8 inside diameter, 5/8 ID. This is PVC, clear PVC hose tubing, and I'm going to slide it on there with soap and water. So stay tuned. Now, you might want to wonder, well, if you're going to do it, how are these already off? So to avoid answering all the questions later on in the comment, I'm going to let you know. I shot this clip earlier, and when I hit record, I took a still instead of videotaping. So the whole time I was talking, I missed it. So I'm doing this after the job is done. The job is done. The car is ready to drive away. But the next thing you'll see is me taking these off. So it may not make sense, but I'm explaining it now so I don't get beat up later. Stay tuned. All right, so the next cool thing we're going to do is we're going to depress the spring. I've got a little spring depression tool here. I'm going to screw this down and hopefully have enough room to slide the old sleeve off. I don't know if you can see that old sleeve on the base. The spring here. You see it? It's right here. We're going to try to get this off. Alright, because on the bottom it's all cut up and it's rubbing on the seat here. So we'll depress the spring, take off that old sleeve, and then soap everything up with Dawn and water and slide the new, thicker, quieter, hopefully, sleeve isolator on. I see a little bit of me struggling with to get this thing clamped down. There we go. This is how you do it. Depress the spring. This can get old real quick. That's why I usually don't show it. Alright guys, I got the first sleeve off. And as you can see, you get a lot of wear right here on the tip. And check this sleeve out. It is cut all the way through. And not only was it cut through and wearing on the end, as you can see here, but there was a bunch of gravel inside of the tube. I don't know how the hell that happened. But anyway, this old guy here is going to be replaced with the new one. And I'll show you that. Here's the old one. And here's the new one that's going on. Much thicker, and of course, not rich. The piece was about 15 inches, so that's what we're going to cut this one to. There we go. Soap and water time. Okay, so we got the first sleeve on the left side. It looks really good. And I'm going to leave about a ½ inch on the end here, as you can see, so that end doesn't scrape on the hat right here. So I'm just going to position this one, release the clamps, and go do the right side. And we'll go for a ride later and let you know if it's quieter. Awesome. Okay, so the left side is complete. Let's go in there and take a peek at it. You can see the sleeve on there. Looks really good. I'm happy with it. There it is, all the way around. Okay guys, on the right side, it was a little bit trickier. I had to take the strut loose because the orientation of the spring was such that I couldn't get enough bite to depress it adequately. So I had to take it loose and actually spin the spring around so I could get a better bite and depress it. So we'll go ahead and squeeze it now, put the sleeve on, take the old off, put the new on, and then spin it back around so they can be seated correctly, and then remount it up into the frame. Okay, as you can see, on the right side, it's cut up pretty bad too. It looks really bad, and that's why I was getting all that noise. And so we're going to replace this with the thicker, new 0-year-old sleeve. Okay, so here's the right side on. I'll let you see it before I seat it down because it's harder to see. It's easier to see like this. And you can see the thicker, new sleeve isolator. It's going to be on the between the spring and the seat, and it should be a lot quieter. That's how you install a sleeve on a spring to be an isolator to stop the spring noise. Every time we go up the curb here, I hear the springs. So let's try it and see what we get. Nothing. Beautiful. I'm here with Jesse. He's helping me fix my roof while I'm doing the video, and so I just thought I'd do a quick clip. This guy's an expert at doing drywall. You want to throw out your number?
Sure. 650-267-9290.
All right. If you guys need drywall, ceilings, he just did 2 big holes in my ceiling. Expert. It's not even painted yet, and I can't even find where it is. Excellent work. Call this guy up if you need some drywall work, and if you want to learn how to fix your car, keep watching my video.
There you go.
All right. Have a good day.